Magandang hapon po ng January 8, 2024 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 8, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Monday, January 8, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later' for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 8, 2024 Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 630 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 125 million pesos for January 8, 2024 Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 8, 2024 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more lotto result update.